Hello. In today's session, we're going to create a drive failure in our new NAS box and see how we can recover from it. So, what I'm going to do is to disconnect physically the hard drive from the SATA connector, and then we're going to check different things. So before we go into this, let's have a look at the state of the system right now. So these are the different disks that we've got in the system. You got the SDA1, which is our SATA 0, SDB, which is our SATA 1, and these are two identical disks with one RAID array MD126 on it. So what I'm going to do is disconnect this SDA1. Just to show you how the RAID is configured. So MD126 here has got three partitions. The EFI partition, sorry. The boot partition, the big one here, which is also the root partition, and the swap partition. And the state of our RAID array at the moment is like this. So you get those two disks, it's two devices, it's healthy, it's active, and so on. So now I'm going to disconnect the drive and see how this is going to react. Okay, so I've disconnected SATA 0, which is our SDA1, and let's see how this is reacting. Let's go into DMESG first and see if we have any errors. Yes, so you see here we've got IO error, detaching SCSI 0, and let's see how this is showing now in our different okay, this one. So SDA drive has disappeared, which is normal, and then if we look at this, we also have lost SDA, and now our array should be still alive because it's running on the second hard drive, but it's degraded and we've got only one drive. So it has survived the disconnection, and now we're going to see if we can actually reboot from the second hard drive. So I'm going to switch back to the console. Okay, so you see on the console it's showing that there are some errors, and now I'm going to actually reboot from there, and we will see in the BIOS how it looks like. Shut down. Okay, you see that we've got only one drive here. It's degraded, as we can see. So I'm just going to let it boot and see that we can actually boot. And then what I will do is to erase the disk I've just disconnected as if it was a brand new one, and see if we can rebuild the array. So it looks like it's booting, which is good. Okay, we're up and running, which is good. Yes. So the array is still here, but there's only one drive alive. So now I'm going to shut down everything, erase the hard drive that just disconnected, plug it back and see if we can rebuild the array as if it was a new drive. Okay, the hard drive has been reinitialized and put back into the computer. Let's see how we can recover the array. So I'm booting now. Okay. Let's see what it says. Degraded volume and this available for rebuilding. Oh, that's good. So it has detected that there's a new hard drive, completely blank, that we can reuse. So I'm just going to say yes. And it's rebuilding. And then I just need to finish booting and it will finish rebuilding. Yes. Okay, we're up and running. Okay. Let's say it's, so you can see here that that's good. So we have only one active device, but two working devices, and the state is resyncing. And it's 0% at the moment. So it will take some time, obviously, because these are HDDs and the rebuilding from scratch, but eventually it will finish rebuilding, and right now we've got a functioning system, so I'm happy with this. And this is how you can recover easily your failed hard drive in a RAID-1 system with Linux. Thank you.